Want to fix the missing Google Play Store icon on your Samsung phone? Sometimes the Play Store icon disappears from your home screen or app drawer because the app was accidentally disabled, hidden, or due to a temporary system glitch. No need to worry. Here's a simple way to get it back quickly and easily. Solution 1. Check if the app is disabled. The most common reason for a missing icon is that the Play Store app itself got disabled. Open your phone's settings, scroll down and tap on Apps or Apps and Notifications. In the list of apps, find and tap on Google Play Store. On the app info page, if you see an Enable button, tap it. If it says Disable, the app is already enabled, so this isn't the issue. After enabling, go back to your home screen or app drawer and check for the icon. Solution 2. Clear cache and data for Play Store and Play services. Corrupted data in the Play Store app or its essential background service can cause the icon to vanish or the app to malfunction. For Google Play Store, open your phone settings, scroll down, and tap on Apps or Apps and Notifications. Find and tap on the Google Play Store. Tap on Storage and Cache. First, tap Clear Cache. Then tap Clear Storage or Clear Data and confirm your choice. For Google Play Services, go back to the Apps list in Settings. Find and tap on Google Play Services. Tap on Storage and Cache. First, tap Clear Cache. Then tap Clear Storage or Manage Space, and then clear all data. And that's all. Trying one of these steps will help you get the Google Play Store icon back on your Samsung phone. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.